Go.
Santos.
Step 1 is the review and accession of lab request forms. Here, the lab receptionist looks over the lab request forms to identify which tests and which samples are required for this visit. Then, the lab receptionist gives the patient a piece of paper or a form where they are asked to write important information such as their name, birth date, and their contact information.
Santos, Vernon.
Step 2 is approaching the patient, identifying the patient, and preparing the patient for venipuncture procedure. Next step is to verify the diet restrictions and latex sensitivity of the patient. After the interview, the phlebotomist now sanitizes their hands. Next step is to position the patient for venipuncture, apply the tourniquet, and ask the patient to make a closed fist. Step 6 is to select a vein, release the tourniquet, and ask the patient to open their fist. Then, the phlebotomist cleans and air dries the puncture site using antiseptics.
While letting the clean side dry, the phlebotomist prepares his equipment and puts on his gloves. After which, he reapplies the tourniquet. He asks the patient to remake a fist, uncaps and inspects the needle. He anchors the vein and inserts the needle, making sure that the bevel is facing up. After re-establishing blood flow, the phlebotomist inserts an evacuated tube. He makes sure that his hands are steady to avoid further inserting the needle. When performing the evacuated tube system, one must make sure that he follows the proper order of draw. This is to avoid any cross-contaminations or any false results.
Remove the tourniquet and remove the multi-sample needle. Do not forget to put cotton on the site of insertion and tell the patient to put enough pressure within 3 to 5 minutes. Fish the needle cap and recap it using one hand only. Once the evacuated tube is filled with the desired amount, take the evacuated tube and invert it with the right inversions. Label the tube in front of the patient. Thank the patient. And then, dispose the wastes in their proper trash bins. Lastly, transfer the specimen in the laboratory.